If the assistive touch is not moving on your iPhone, or if the assistive touch is not at all working on your iPhone, then do not worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix the assistive touch issue on your iPhone. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to go to settings on your iPhone. Now go to accessibility. Now tap on touch. Tap on assistive touch. Turn off the assistive touch. Turn it off for around 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, again turn it on. Now the assistive touch will be working on your iPhone, and for sure this method is going to work. And do let me know if this method has helped you in solving the issue of assistive touch on your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.